next one is coming in your mind itself. So how it is happening? Why it is happening? The driverless cars are there on the roads. Look at these applications. Look at the era. Coming 3, 4, 5 years, maybe we have to live with these applications. So we have knowledge prior to that, certainly we can able to operate it well, to the best possible extent, to the best maximum effort, will get benefits. So once again, I wish all the best for participants who came from all these places, and I thank the administration for giving this opportunity to stand before you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. I humbly invite Professor D. Radhakrishnan Garu, Director of Hormonal Format and Resilience and Director of Evaluation, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Aruna. Respected dignitaries on the dais, President of this event, Professor G. Jayasuma, and today's guest of honor, beloved Registrar Professor G. Swaminayudu Garu, and other key resource person, Anirban Mukhopadhyaya Garu, respected senior professors and Director R&D, Dr. Babul Garu, and DAP, Dr. KCB Garu, and Director Academic Audit, Professor Rajesh Rao Garu, respected heads of the department, respected principal of this esteemed institute, my dear colleagues, and especially today's center of attraction, participants from various prestigious institutions in and around, my dear colleagues, present media, very good morning one and all. At the outset, my hearty congratulations to the Director Faculty Development Program to identify this very hot topic, I can say, because nowadays artificial intelligence and machine learning, it is ruling the world, no doubt. By identifying this fact, even AICTE, they have introduced so many, not only as our KCB sir rightly pointed out. So not only they have introduced PC programs, by identifying the need, they have introduced in undergraduate program also. And I appreciate Dr. G. Jayasuma in this direction to introduce especially this workshop on current trends in artificial intelligence and applications in the area of machine learning. No doubt, all of undergraduate students, they have learned machine learning, and majority of the programs the faculty attended over here. But this program, they are highlighting what are all well the applications. And we are very fortunate enough, we are here, Mukhopadhyaya Garu, to enlighten all the applications. Already our fellow directors, they have highlighted the importance. I don't want to waste much of your valuable time. Once again, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I thank the organizers, and I hope, I wish all the participants, faculty members, that are going to attend in this program, definitely you will gain more knowledge at the end of this session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madam, for thoughts and words. Now I request our Honorable Professor K. Babulu sir, Director of Admissions and Director of Research and Development of JNTUGV, to share his views on this occasion.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning. Okay. So, respected chief guest of this program, Professor G.V.R. Prasad Raju Garu, in his absence here, Honorable Vice Chancellor of this university, and guest of honor and our beloved and dynamic Registrar of the university, JNTUGV Vijayanagaram, Professor Swaminaidu Garu, and one more guest of honor, Professor Mukhopadhyay Garu from Kalyan University, West Bengal, and resource person of this particular program. And my colleague directors, Professor Rajalakshmi Madam Garu, Director of Evaluation, and Professor KSV Rao Garu, Director Academic and Planning, and Professor Rajeshwar Rao Garu, Director Academic Audit, and our very important person of this institute, Principal of the college, Professor Sri Kumar Garu, and my colleagues of the dais, and participants and colleagues of our affiliated colleges as well as some other institutions, those who have participated for this program. And the important person that I have forgotten here is one more important directorate, and the president of this particular function is Faculty Development Directorate, Professor Jayasuma Garu. At the outset, we are very thankful to the University Administration, Vice Chancellor Garu, Registrar Garu, and Director FDP, Professor Jayasuma Garu, to plan such a grand event for this. And that not only that, this is the first faculty development program which is going to be organized in this newly established university, a KID University, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Gurujada, Vijayanagaram. At the outset, this workshop is mainly focused on the advanced topics. The topic seems to be simple, but explaining and exploring the knowledge in these areas to the student level is very much complex. Why? Because the concept of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, the name suggests itself. The intelligence is to be required to teach the subject of artificial intelligence. But your knowledge should not be artificial, but your knowledge should be in a deeper manner. Next one is machine learning. Nowadays, even civil engineering students also are going to develop the applications by using these advanced trust areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So as far as electronics professor, this is the main point, that very important point I would like to present before you, that you have to develop the program in such a manner that that program has to be acceptable by the required resources like hardware, environmental conditions, and all the conditions which we require to develop that application. So in general, computer science engineering means simply knowing different languages, computer languages or programming languages. Nowadays, it's not the matter. So if you have developed some particular application or a particular app, tomorrow that is going to be modified, because such brilliant people are there in our country. So we have to, once you have to develop a particular application, one particular software, you should have to focus on a hardware as well as the environmental conditions. So as far as the computer knowledge is concerned, electrons part is to be there as far as the hardware is required, whereas software, you people are very much required, whereas remaining environmental conditions are going to be provided by the other all branches, starting from civil to so many. So it is a great opportunity to all of you nowadays, allowing to attend a faculty development program by the management or the principal of your institute is very tough because of your so many busy works. So you got an opportunity. So I request to all the participants to utilize this particular workshop, that means faculty development program, and get a knowledge, because one resource person is coming and particular topic means definitely he will give some additional information to our knowledge. So utilize this particular platform in a good manner and explore this knowledge to your colleague teachers as well as to the students. So I hope that this faculty development program will help you as well as to your institute in a good manner. So in this, once again, I am congratulating the Professor Jaisom Madam Garu, and thank you very much for giving this opportunity by the University Administration, Vice Chancellor Garu and Registrar Garu to conduct this program. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your informative words. Now I request the president of today's function, Professor G. Jaisamma Garu, Director of FDC, Director of IIIT and Placements, JNTUGV, to give the opening remarks.
Thank you, Madam. Respected Chief Guest of this function, in his absence, Professor G.V.R. Prasad Raj Garu, Honorable Vice Chancellor of JNTUGV, Guest of Honor, Professor G. Swaminayadu Garu, Registrar in charge of JNTUGV, and our another Guest of Honor, Resource Person, Professor Aniban Mukhopadhyaya from Kalyan University, West Bengal, and directors of various directorates, faculty members, and participants from various institutions of affiliated of JNTUGV, and my dear students, warm welcome to a 5-day faculty development program on current trends in artificial intelligence and engineering applications in the area of machine learning and deep learning. Actually, this was materialized and this was encouraged by the Professor G.V.R. Prasad Raj Garu to conduct this faculty development program. It is a 30 hours program of 5 days duration, full days. And here this was inaugurated by our Honorable Education Minister Boccha Satyanarayana Garu on December 17th. We have released the poster regarding this faculty development program. And even though it is the toughest job for us to conduct 5 days, 30 hours program, but we have materialized. This is the first program in JNTUGV, and most of the affiliated college, we got the positive response. I thank all the administration of affiliated colleges for the kind support and cooperation. I want you to extend the same support and cooperation in due course also. And the participants, I request you to utilize this opportunity, because every college has introduced BTech artificial intelligence course, machine learning, deep learning, and data science also. And lot of emerging technologies they have introduced for undergraduate course. So previously we used to have only the PG courses, but now all the affiliated engineering colleges have introduced the BTech artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, a combination of these emerging technologies. So in this regard, it is very helpful for you to enhance your knowledge, and the same knowledge you can spread to all your colleagues and students. And most of it is the title, to articulate this title here is to, the idea behind is, because artificial intelligence is not only limited to the computer science or information technology. All the domains can use the artificial intelligence in all areas, and the most of the colleges in R19 regulation and R20 regulation, they have introduced the BTech minors and honor courses. So all the elective subjects are depending upon the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and all these things. So the programming, now that open source softwares are available, there is no need to purchase that softwares in order to utilize this machine learning concepts, or in order to implement this machine learning concepts. So it is in your palm. And in the COVID-19 also has, in COVID-19, even though it is a unfortunate situation, but in the educational system, most of the faculty members and the students have enhanced their knowledge, because AICT, Government of India, or Ministry of Education and SWAYAM, they have introduced lot of faculty development courses, and they have spread that information or the knowledge in online itself. So this is a hybrid mode of expressing this faculty development program. Almost 100 participants have enrolled from various colleges, and another 2 to 250 members have enrolled for the online. So we want to give online VTube live also, but the participants who have registered for offline, they will get the hard copy certificate, and the online participants will get the e-certificate. That is the motto of encouraging to the offline program also. So almost all the institutions are ready to go for the NAC accreditation and NBA accreditation. So the 5 days faculty development course will be useful for your accreditations also, in order to enhance your knowledge as well as to get some points in accreditation also. So in this regard, I request all of you to have an active participation in it. And coming to the schedule of this program, here today we have professor from Kalyan University. He is going to from 11:10 to 1 o'clock. He is going to give a lecture on topic multiple object evolutionary algorithms and applications. And afternoon also he has another lecture, that is association rule learning and applications. And after that 3:30 to 5 we have a session that is research towards machine learning. And tomorrow the 7th we have national education policy and accreditation. And the next lecture is neural networks to deep learning and introduction. And the next lecture is building deep learning models for autonomous cars, research and design. And next lecture is biometrics and its applications. And next lecture is deep learning for speech processing, research methodologies, deep learning concepts and applications, transfer learning for NLP, research opportunities and funding, IPR, deep learning based object detection models, AI for neuroscience, etc. These are the topics we want to discuss and share with you in this 5-day course. And among this, our directors also involved in delivering the lecture. The professor of computer science and the director of academic and audit, Professor Rajesh Garu, is delivering a lecture on deep learning for speech recognition. And director of academic and planning and director of IQCell, he is delivering lecture on national education policy and accreditation. And director of R&D and director of admission, he is delivering lecture regarding the research methodologies. And myself also delivering lectures regarding the deep learning based object recognition model. And P. Arun Kumari is delivering lecture with the topic biometrics and applications. So we are all involved in sharing the knowledge to you. In this regard, I wish you will have a better stay in this campus and gain some knowledge in order to share with your students. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, madam, for your informative thoughts and words of wisdom. Now I take a privilege to invite our guest of honor and resource person of this event, a man of knowledge, Dr. Anirban Mukhopadhyay Garu, to address the auspicious gathering.
A very good morning to all of you, respected dignitaries on the dais, the faculty members of this institution and the other institutions who are participating in this particular faculty development program. Incidentally, this is my second visit to this institute. Actually, I came 10 years back for a different purpose. So it is always nice to come back here again. And I would like to thank the organizers for inviting me as a resource person for this FDP program. So we are living in the age of AI and data-driven knowledge, what I can say. So everywhere in every industry, you see, starting from healthcare, banking, finance, say, logistics and educational technologies. So everywhere AI is coming like anything, and we cannot avoid it. And sometimes AI is, most of the cases, it is a blessings to us, but sometimes it is also posing threat, like sir mentioned, the ChatGPT might be affecting the job of many people. But there is no way to look back. We have to cope with it and progress with it. So in this particular FTP, I was checking the schedule and the topics that will be covered. It is excellent. So almost all facets of AI and machine learning and deep learning are going to be covered. I believe this will be a very good opportunities for the participants to enhance their knowledge and also to interact with the experts, and not only that, to interact with the, among themselves to initiate some kind of collaboration or networking. So hope you will enjoy over these 5 days program, and thank you again very much for inviting me. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. Now we'll take a privilege to invite remarkable and dynamic Registrar and Director of University Games, Sports and Administration, Professor G. Swaminaidu Garu, to address the gathering.
Good morning, all of you. In absentia, today's chief guest of the program, our Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Prasad Raj Garu. In fact, he is very busy with various activities. He has to attend an important activity at Vijayawada. That's why he could unable to attend this program. Otherwise, he wants to attend this program, and he wants to emphasize the faculty members in various aspects. But he has conveyed his greetings to all the participants, and he has asked to utilize this program in an effective manner. And other dignitaries on the dais, today's guest of honor Mukhopadhyaya, other directors, Professor Babul Garu, Professor Rajalakshmi, Professor Suma, Professor K.C.B. Rao, Professor Sri Kumar, and off the dais, other heads of the departments and faculty members, and the most important guests of the day, our wonderful participants from various institutions. At the outset, I express my congratulations and appreciations to our the organizer of this particular event, Dr. Suma, because I can see a good number of participants from various institutions. Really, it is the first event organized by the FDP cell of the university, and I can observe about more than 80 faculty members from various institutions. So it shows the importance of this domain, which is what artificial intelligence, right? In fact, if you observe the curriculum, the course structure, and the revision of the course structure of JNTU and its associated universities, it always stands on the top. If you observe JNTU Hyderabad, if you observe JNTU Anandapur, if you observe JNTU Kakinada, and now if you observe JNTUGV, its curriculum and its revision on what occasions it is going to take place, it always stands on the top, because for every 3 years the curriculum is going to be revised by JNTU. If you observe other universities, I don't think it is happening in such a great manner like it is happening in JNTU, isn't it? So, if we come to the curriculum, we are always introducing all the required courses as per the requirement of the industries. But where we are lagging, are we able to find the required expertise in the institutions? Not at all. We are introducing the latest courses like artificial intelligence, cyber security, so on and so forth, right? But where is the expertise? the expertise is very, very poor in various institutions of affiliated colleges of various universities. So anticipating that and to create some kind of knowledge among the faculty members, this faculty development program has been introduced and the university has given approval for this, and she has come forward to organize this wonderful FDP program. And in fact, I could observe great participation among the institutions of affiliated colleges of JNTUGV. I think most of the participants are from JNTUGV affiliated colleges, isn't it? Is there anybody from other institutions which are affiliated to other university? Right. So almost all participants are from JNTUGV affiliated colleges. So I should thank all the principals of the colleges for sponsoring these faculty members for this FDP. Right. So coming to this FDP, artificial intelligence is associated with both deep learning as well as machine learning. If you observe its applications, it is playing a major role in healthcare. As our other guest of honor has already addressed it, it is playing a major role in healthcare, manufacturing industries in particular. If you observe a manufacturing industry, starting from what? Starting from the contractors, starting from the processing of items, processing of goods, where we are using robots. And we could, in a manufacturing industry, we could able to reduce the manufacturing cost of a component largely. If we are going to automate everything, obviously, the manufacturing cost of the component is going to be minimized. So this artificial intelligence is playing a major role in almost all industries. And one more thing is, you please remember that this artificial intelligence or the cyber security or the data science are not the patents of the computer science and engineering. These have got more applicability in various domains. As already our DIA has already addressed, Rajeshwar Rao has already addressed regarding its applications. It is going to play a major role in a manufacturing industry, in a construction industry, in a metallurgical industry, whatever may be. So this knowledge is very much required for all the engineering students. So once after completion of this FDP program, you please address all your faculty members, not only of your computer science faculty members. Please conduct a meeting with the faculty members of all the departments, and you try to emphasize what you have learnt in this FDP, so that tomorrow they are going to interact with the students and they may impart something to the students. Isn't it? So simply conducting an event or attending an event is not going to result the required inputs, isn't it? So once after completion of the program, you please try to analyze yourselves what you have learned from this FDP program and what you are going to impart to the students. Whatever we are doing in the universities or in the colleges is for the students, not for the faculty members, right? We are here for the students, for the welfare of the students. So we should be in such a way that we should bring out the students who are useful for the society and for the industries. Right? So for which, basically, we should have the required knowledge. So anticipating that, this university has planned to organize this wonderful event under the coordinationship of Dr. Suma. So I request all the participants to make utilize of the program and please try to be useful to the students, at least up to some extent. Simply the principal has sponsored me, I have attended the program, I can spend some time in the college and I can spend the rest of the time in my house if you think in that way, then it will not going to survive our basic interest, right? So our basic aim is to impart knowledge on the required domains. So nowadays artificial intelligence is playing a major role in various departments. So being a university, we are not going to fulfill all the requirements of all the students. So being the faculty members of various institutions, you need to fulfill the requirements of the students, right? So anticipating that, this FDP is planned with a lot of efforts. So please try to utilize this program. Please try to attend all the sessions attentively and with a more focus on the sessions. And once after completion of the program, try to see the outcome of the program. What you have learnt and what you are going to impart to the students. So definitely this university, being a young university, it is going to conduct a lot number of such events. I request similar kind of response from the affiliating institutions. The principals are always very much positive to depute the faculty members for any of the faculty development program or the workshop being organized by the university. And the participants should also come with a lot of enthusiasm to learn the new things. Then only we can develop our students, our institution and our university and our society. So please remember these things. So I wish every one of you to have a wonderful stay in the campus, and our Honorable Vice Chancellor has informed me to inform you that you should be given a wonderful hospitality. I think you are going to get a wonderful hospitality in the campus. If you are going to be deprived with anything, you please let the information to bring to the notice of our Director of FDC. It's going to be solved within no time. And I hope everyone are going to enjoy a wonderful stay in the campus. And once again, I congratulate the FDC Director for organizing this kind of wonderful FDP program in the campus. Thank you one and all. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational and inspiring words. Now I request the today's president of the program, Professor G. Jaisimha Madam, to felicitate today's guest of honor and registrar, Professor G. Swaminaidu, sir. I request all the dignitaries to join the ceremony. Can I request the Professor Jaisimha Madam to felicitate today's guest of honor, resource person of this event, Professor Anirban Mukhopadhyay Garu. I request all the dignitaries to join the ceremony. I request the Jaisimha Madam to felicitate the Director of R&D, Professor K. Babulu Garu. Thank you, sir. Now I request Professor Jaisimha Madam to felicitate Professor Rajalakshmi Madam and request all the dignitaries to join this felicitation. Can I request the madam to felicitate the director of the academic and planning, Professor K. Chandrabhushan Garu, and I request all the dignitaries to join the felicitation. Now I request the Sisma Madam to felicitate the Director of Academic Cadet, Professor R. Rajeshwara Garu, and I request all the dignitaries to join the felicitation. Now I request the Jaisuma Madam to felicitate the Principal of JNTUGV College of Engineering, Vizianagaram, Professor K. Srikumar Garu, and I request all the dignitaries to join the felicitation. Thank you all the dignitaries on the dais for this felicitation, accepting our invitation. I have a pleasant task of delivering vote of thanks to this auspicious gathering here. On behalf of Faculty Development Cell JNTUGV, express gratitude to the administrators and who have given the permission and to support in all the way for organizing this event. On behalf of FDC, I extend my sincere gratitude to our Vice Chancellor in his absentia, Professor G. Prasad Raj Garu, and also the Registrar of JNTUGV, Professor G. Swaminaidu Garu, for their inspitable the supporting and organizing this event. Their presence and added immense value for this workshop and made it a grand success. I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to all the directorates who made this event truly special with their presence and participation. Thank you, one and all. I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to our resource person, Dr. Anirban Mukhopadhyay Garu, today's guest of honor, who have came and accepted our invitation in his busy schedule. Thank you for your presence, sir. I have fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated volunteers who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure this everything ran smoothly. I extend my sincere gratitude to the heads of the department and helping us out whatever and whenever possible. I thank all the participants from the various institutions which made this event more special. I would like to thank the press and media for such an extensive coverage of this function. Finally, I thank all the members who have directly or indirectly supported to make this function a grand success. I would like to express my sincere thanks to each and everyone for you making this program a grand success. Your involvement has been instrumental in creating a memorable experience for all of us. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. And I request all the participants to take a tea break of your 10 minutes and the session will start after the tea break. Thank you.